Did you know that queer and trans people actually experience time completely differently to cishet people? It's a concept called queer temporality, and it basically has to
Wow.
do with the fact that historically, as queer and trans people, our lives have started much later and for a whole bunch
Wow.
of reasons ended earlier than our cishet counterparts. It also has to do with the
Wow.
fact that those milestones that we've been socialized to use to mark the passage of time, so things like marriage or having
Mm.
children, haven't been accessible to us. That linear timeline has a name:
Mm.
heterochronology.
Kahit na naka-graduate ako ng engineering at may master's degree ako sa engineering, ay hindi ako well-equipped. I think si Einstein, nung finormulate niya yung theory of relativity, yung E equals mc squared, baka mamaya kailangan niya lang palang dagdagan ng panibagong variable ito na letter Q for queer time.